Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency with MEXC, where your trading journey begins with an attractive MEXC welcome bonus. Today, let's delve into how you can maximize this opportunity by using the referral code 12K4M5. MEXC is a dynamic and innovative cryptocurrency exchange platform renowned for its user-friendly interface, multiple trading options, and especially for one of the most competitive welcome bonuses in the market. The MEXC welcome bonus is designed to give new users a head start by crediting their account with a bonus upon their first deposit. But why settle for the ordinary? By using the referral code 12K4M5, not only do you unlock the standard welcome bonus, but you also gain an extra boost to your initial deposit, ensuring you start trading with more than what you put in. VIP perks that usually require a higher trading volume, granting you access to exclusive benefits from the get-go. An invitation to join high-stakes trading contests where you can compete for additional rewards. With 12K4M5 as your entry ticket, you're setting yourself up for a trading experience that's a cut above the rest. Here's how to claim your MEXC welcome bonus using the referral code. Step 1. Sign up on MEXC. Enter 12K4M5 in the referral code section during registration. Step 2. Make your first deposit. Watch as MEXC matches it with a bonus, amplifying your trading power. Step 3. Start trading. Remember, the more you trade, the more you can benefit from MEXC's extensive features tailored for your success. Embrace the opportunity to elevate your crypto trading with MEXC's welcome bonus and the additional benefits provided by referral code 12K4M5. Join a community of traders who are already enjoying the perks of MEXC. Remember, your journey to smarter, more profitable trading starts with the right code. Don't forget, use 12K4M5 on MEXC to unlock a world of possibilities. See you at the top. Thank you for listening. We hope to see you trading successfully on MEXC.